Start laminating by choosing your pouch size. Limited supplies can be purchased at the circulation desk, or you can bring your own. Please check our website for any acceptable material lists. Place the document into the open pouch. Ensure the document is centered against the sealed edge. Make sure you're using the appropriate pouch size for your document. Next, plug in the laminator into the wall and switch the power on, which is located on the back of the machine. The machine defaults to the cold setting. For 3mm or 5mm hot laminating, press the play sign once for 3mm or twice for 5mm. When the machine is ready, temperature setting will stop flashing and remain on. Now you're ready to laminate your document. Next, ensure the pouch enters the machine sealed edge first. Keep the pouch straight and central within the slot, not at an angle. For further troubleshooting tips, please see the printed guides located above the lamination machine. Upon exit, the laminated pouch may be hot and soft. For the best quality and to prevent jamming, remove the pouch immediately. Place the pouch on a flat surface to cool. When you're finished laminating, turn off the laminator using the switch on the back and unplug the laminator from the wall.